in Detroit as the mayor of Midtown. She's been working for about 25, 30 years on urban planning in that discrete area. Now, some of you who know Detroit might remember the term Cass Corridor, and it wasn't exactly a complimentary term. That's Midtown. That's part of Midtown. And the rebranding of that area with real things going on there is absolutely phenomenal. I could not find a parking place on Saturday to try and get into a store in Midtown. And it started with a couple of different things with the urban consultants out of Philadelphia. First, they looked at procurement policies, buy local, which I know you're working on. It's a terrific program. In Detroit, the problem was that the city didn't really have very good data on companies. You'd think that if they paid taxes, they would, but IT systems are shot. So we worked with them because we had subscriber names and we had other names in Detroit, so we could help identify bakeries or laundry companies or all different kinds of companies that might be able to provide services to the big three anchors of Midtown, which is Henry Ford Health System, Wayne State University, and Detroit Medical Center. That was one big, huge initiative, and I think that's cool, because why not buy local? I mean, that you can really make a difference that way. And the other piece was the Live Work program. And that required some foundation investment, some employer investment, but people would apply to the program to either buy a home or rent an apartment in a prescribed physical area. You can't find an apartment in Midtown now. And the occupancy downtown in Detroit is like 98%. So every time a new building is redone as apartments, it's gone. They're leased. And so the opportunity for Spring Arbor to be a partner in this community, as well as in the greater Jackson area, I don't know how you're defining your boundaries of the community. Is it Jackson, if it's Jackson as a whole and you're trying to focus on downtown first, probably makes sense to start with a very finite physical area and expand from there. But I'm telling you, I've lived in Detroit for 25 years, and if you look at Midtown and downtown, it's absolutely remarkable what's happened in the last 5 to 10 years. And part of it is Live Work Midtown, part of it is Sue Mosey's patience, foundation funding, and having a strategy. The other piece